Hey guys, I will show you how to make slime with baking soda and some water. So first we need to pour the glue. I am using Fevicol glue. You can use Fevigum too. So already I poured the glue. Then add some water. Let's turn it well. Now give some baking soda. It is baking soda, not baking powder. Now again stir well till it gets slime. If there needed, you can add some baking powder more. I am needed, so I am giving some more. You can see it was making slimy. Keeps turning well. Add some baking powder. If needed. I'm stirring and adding baking powder. Now the slime is already ready. Not already ready. Going to ready. You can see it. It was 100% working. And it was very nice to see this slime. See this slime. How stretchy it was. Finger. First I will dunk it into the slime and show the finger. See his nose. So the slime is ready now. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and please give the video like. If you need more video, please tell in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.